Now next topic is conversion of solid from one shape to another shape. Means while converting a solid from one shape to another shape, the value will remain same while the total surface area of new solid will be changed. That is, volume of original solid is equal to volume of new solid. Means suppose I have this object, this is the cylindrical object, and after melting this, I have made this cuboid. Okay, so after melting this means material of this object you have to use for this object. Okay, this object का जो material था उसी से आपने क्या बनाया, this object. So volume of this object is equal to volume of this new object. Okay, while the surface area of this cylinder is different and the surface area of this cuboid is also different. So surface area is different while converting a solid from one shape to another shape, while the value of first solid yani original solid will be remains to value of new solid. Okay, now I am going to discuss frustum of cone. Students, you know what is the frustum of cone? First of you understand this. Suppose this is the cone, okay, and after cutting this portion, see this parallel to its base, then this is the small portion of cone. See this. If you remove this small cone from this big cone, then after removing this, the remaining portion, that is called the frustum of cone. Okay, see this object like this. This is the frustum of cone. The formula of frustum of cone. Suppose let the small r is the radius of upper base of this frustum, and capital R is the radius of bottom base, and height of the frustum is h, and slant height of the frustum is L. Then slant height L is equal to under root h square plus capital R minus small r square. So see, earlier in cone के लिए अगर कहें तो अंडर रूट h स्क्वायर प्लस r स्क्वायर होता था. यहाँ पर क्या होगा, r की जगह पे कैपिटल R माइनस स्मॉल r होगा. ओके, नाउ CSA of frustum of cone, that is pi capital R plus small r into L. Okay, now TSA and total surface area of frustum of cone is equal to CSA of cone, CSA of frustum of cone plus area of top plus area of bottom, that is pi capital R plus small r into L plus pi small r plus pi capital R square. Okay, ठीक है. Now value of frustum of cone, that is देखिए कोण के लिए कहें तो 1/3 पाई r स्क्वायर h होता था. यहाँ 1/3 पाई कैपिटल R स्क्वायर प्लस स्मॉल r स्क्वायर प्लस कैपिटल R into small r into h. So these are the formula for the frustum of cone. Okay, in daily life you see lot of object like glass, drinking glass, bucket, and lot of object like a frustum of cone. Okay, so for finding the surface area and volume you have to use these formula for the frustum of cone. I am going to discuss some questions related to surface area and volume. So first question is, a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5. Find the total surface area and value of the toy. Okay, so understand the figure. This is the cone and this is mounted on a hemisphere. Okay, and the radius of the cone, that is 3.5, and the same radius is for the base of hemisphere, and the total height is 15.5 centimeter for complete toy. Is this? Find out the total surface area and height of the total surface area and value of the toy. Okay, so solution. See, given the radius of cone small also 3.5 centimeter, radius of hemisphere 3.5 centimeter, total height 15.5 centimeter, height of cone, that is 15.5 minus 3.5, तो कितना हम रिमूव करेंगे, then this will 12.0 सेंटीमीटर. HCD नोट कर लीजिए इसको. Now slant height L is equal to under root h square plus r square, h यानी 12 square plus 3.5 square. So 12 square, that means 144 plus 3.5, that means 12.25. Okay, add करने के बाद 156.25, and this is the square root of 12.5 centimeter. So this is what the slant height. Now this is the slant height. Now the total surface area of the toy, TSA of the toy, that means CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. So CSA of cone is pi r L plus 2 pi r square. Pi r common letter, then L plus 2r. Putting the values, pi is 22/7, r is 3.5, and L is what? 12.5 plus 2 into r यानी 3.5. 7 से कट करें इसको तो 0.5 आ जाएगा. Then 25 5 जा 110 यानी 11.0 आ जाएगा. And this will 12.5 plus 7. So this one 11 into 19.5. So 11 5 ja 55, 5 carry, 11 9 ja 99, and 5 104, 10 carry, 11 1 ja 11, 10 21. So TSA of the toy is equal to 214.5 centimeter square. Okay students, this is the answer for the TSA. Okay, now for the value of the toy, that means value of cone plus value of hemisphere. So value of cone strength, that is 1/3 pi r square h plus value of hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, taking pi by 3 r square common, then x plus 2r. Putting the values, any 1/3 पाई 22/7 r यानी 3.5 into 3.5 and h is what 12, h is 12 plus 2r यानी 2 into 3.5. now 7 से इसको कट करें तो this is 0.5, then 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 11.0 into 3.5 upon 3 and this will becomes what 12 plus 7.0, that means 11 into 3.5 into 19 upon 3. okay, multiply this, यहाँ कर देते हैं वैल्यू ऑफ टॉय इज इक्वल टू 19 से मल्टीप्लाई करें 11 इंटू 3.5 को अगर 19 से करेंगे 19 5 जा 55, 19 5 जा 95 यानी 5 कैरी 9, 19 3 जा 57 and 9 66. okay, upon 3, that means 11 into 66.5 is 11 5 ja 55, 5 carry 11 6 ja 66, 66 and 5 71, 7 carry 11 6 ja 66 and 7 73.5/3, that means अगर हम डिवाइड करें 3 2 जा 6, 3 4 जा 12 and 3 3 ja 9 and 2.5, that means 3 8 ja and 3 3 ja approx centimeter cube approx. Yes, yes. So this is the value of the coil. okay, value of the coil. okay, next question is a 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform with dimension 22 meter by 40 meter. okay, find the height of the platform. means question is that a 20 meter deep well is dug out with diameter 7 meter and the earth जब डग आउट किया देन जो अर्थ निकली दैट अर्थ इज इवनली स्प्रेड आउट टू फॉर्म अ प्लेटफॉर्म. okay, with base dimension 22 meter by 14 meter. then find the height of the platform. okay, see given that for well diameter of well that is 7 meter, so radius r that is 7 by 2 meter. okay, depth of well dug out, that means capital S से का डिनोट करें, that is what 20 meter. okay, for platform dimension of base is this, so length 22 meter, breadth 14 meter. okay, height find out करना, so assume that let the height of platform be h meter. okay, so these are the dimension of cylindrical well. okay, and for the cuboidal platform, base is what? Base is rectangle. okay, now students see, suppose this is the earth level एंड इस अर्थ लेवल से ये 20 मीटर डीप वेल डग आउट किया गया. वेल यू नो, सो डेप्थ इज 20 मीटर and diameter of this well is what, 7 meter. So when you form this well, then the earth dug out from this well, यानी जो soil यहाँ से निकाली गई, that is evenly spread out on a plane, okay? और बेस कैसा उसका लिया, रेक्टेंगुलर. तो जब ऐसे स्प्रेड करते जाएंगे तो कुछ इस टाइप से लाइक प्लेटफॉर्म बनेगा, ठीक. whose base dimension is given 22 meter is the length and 14 meter is the breadth. तो जब हम स्प्रेड करेंगे तो ये कुछ हाइट तक आएगा. दिस इज सो क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. ओके, सी स्टूडेंट्स, क्या किया गया, इस सिलेंड्रिकल वेल से जो अर्थ निकली उसी अर्थ से ये प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया गया. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन या कन्वर्जन कहें तो कन्वर्जन ऑफ दिस सिलेंड्रिकल अर्थ का कन्वर्जन कहाँ पर हुआ, इस क्यूबॉइडिकल प्लेटफॉर्म में हुआ. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन वैल्यू ऑफ अर्थ डग आउट फ्रॉम दिस वेल is equal to the volume of this cuboidal platform. Okay students, okay, according to question value of earth dug out from well is equal to volume of cuboidal platform. Okay, so volume of earth dug out from well is what, cylindrical type, so volume is I r square and h is the height and the depth of well. Okay, that volume of cuboid L into P into H. Put here the values. I you can take 22 by 7. Okay. R is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. And H, that is the depth of well, that is 20. Is equal to length. Length is what? 22 meter. Into breadth is 14 meter into H. Okay. यहाँ से देखिए तो 7 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. ओके, 2 से ये कट करें तो 10 आ जाएगा, इस 2 से इसको कट करें तो 11 आ जाएगा. ओके, सो इम्प्लाइज दैट 11 इंटू 7 इंटू 10 इज इक्वल टू 22 इंटू 14 इंटू h. इम्प्लाइज दैट h इज इक्वल टू 11 इंटू 7 इंटू 10 डिवाइड बाई 22 इंटू 14. ओके, देखिए कट करें, 11 2 जा 22, 7 2 जा 14, 2 से कट करें तो 2 5 जा 10 मीन्स 5 by 2 h. So h is equal to what, 2.5 meter. Hence height of the platform is 2.5 meter. Okay students, hope students you learned how to find out the surface area and volume for the combination of solid. Okay, thank you students.